Bulavinakana, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Trade Ministers who are here. Of course, I'd like to welcome especially our three Fijian Trade Ministers who are here this evening with us. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, I was going to be very, very brief in my speech and say, welcome to the cocktail. Please enjoy yourself tonight and enjoy the dances. But after the speech of His Excellency the EU Ambassador, I've sort of suddenly sobered up from my orange juice. I'm sure all of you have sobered up also from your drinks, but no, we appreciate your candor. We obviously had some very good discussions today, and there's a number of contentious issues that we need to, as ministers, give direction to our trade negotiators when they do meet up in Brussels. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to once again thank you for your participation today. I look forward to your participation tomorrow. Please enjoy yourself tonight. And we've got a lot of drinks for you, and we've got some entertainment. And once again, welcome to those of you visiting us. Welcome to Fiji. Please enjoy your stay, and we look forward to meeting you tomorrow morning. Minaka, thank you.